Yo, what's going on? Most people think that trading is about catching every single price move, but in reality, it's about waiting for that one setup that aligns with your bias. Today, I'm breaking down the trade that I took that played out beautifully. I'll walk you through my thought process from the higher time frame bias to the exact Wick confirmation and how I manage my risk and secure profits. This is a hindsight. This is exactly how I approach the markets every single day. So yeah, let's get right into it. So today was super duper clean in terms of price action. We had again, what is Casa's Wick theory? Let me make sure this is actually recording because this is like my third or fourth take, unfortunately, talking about the same trade. Like I have this trade set up, like integrated in my mind at this point. But Casa's Wick theory, I'm gonna zoom in right here. It's just a fractal in price, right? So it's 3 consecutive wicks. Here, we'll space this out real quick. There it goes. Right here, perfect. So this is what Casa's Wick theory looks like, right? It's just a fractal in price. Let's draw this out. This right here, this is what we're looking for. Or the complete opposite if it's higher, right? What do we have right here on the M1 time frame? On the minute 1 time frame, what do we have right here? We have 3 consecutive wicks, right? At a key level, key price level. This is equilibrium or EQ of a key range. Casa's daily levels sent to you guys in the Discord, or sent to the students to the Discord every single day. But yeah, so we were failing to close through equilibrium of this range. So I immediately knew that we're gonna fly significantly higher, because I want you guys to envision this. What do you guys think is happening on the second time frame whenever we're wicking through the discount of this range, right? We're having a market structure shift and we're having an OTE entry. That's just a fractal of price. That's how price is meant to deliver. Like that's the nature of price delivery right there. But yeah, so entry right there, flew significantly higher. First take profit, just opposing liquidity, right? First take profit right here. I had a runner right here, and my initial or final objective was this price level right here. Sent to the Discord, unfortunately, we did not hit it. Look how close we came to it. We came super duper close to this price point, but we did not hit it. We had a deep OTE retracement. So this definitely shook out everybody that was long. And this is just the nature of price delivery. So OTs are meant to shake out everybody that's on the right side of the market. So let's say, for instance, you had a bullish bias today, right? This OTE was meant to scare you away. So what do you do in scenarios like this? You take your profits, you take your partials at your profits, right? And then you just have your initial position at the point of invalidation. So if I zoom in right here, so right here, this is a protected low, right? So this is the point of invalidation. Like I can't make this up. So you just hold your runner off position. And so price hits your point of invalidation, right? So still in this position that long, but I had to get out, unfortunately, with the props just because they have that time cutoff. It is what it is, but I'm telling you guys, we're gonna reopen up at Asian and we're gonna smoke out these freaking highs, right? They're just engineering liquidity right here, all this trend line. What was the higher time frame period that I used, right? So if we go up to the H4 time frame, dude, my trading view is lagging like crazy. Probably need to update it. But on the H4 time frame, we had what? We had a huge wick in price. This is a discount. Like, yo, how is this wick a discount? This is our intraday EQ, sent again to the Discord every single day. So above it, we sell, below it, we buy. Just look how it plays out every single time. But yeah, so we're above it, we're heavy, looking for shorts. Right here, we trade into this key wick, right? A wick in price is a gap in price, where price is inefficient and we're about to retrace or reverse from. We're in a clear, strong buy program overall. Everybody's gonna be like, yo, Casa, how do you know whenever we shift from a buy program to a sell program? And we're all-time highs, we're in a clear bull market. We need that weekly time frame shift in sentiment for us to know that we're in a we're transitioning from a buy to a sell program. There's also a bunch of confluences that you can use outside of the candlesticks. I'll hint at it. It's called TOT reports. That actually allows us to track smart money. And I'll be doing a YouTube video on that soon. So if you guys like videos like this, please let me know. But it was a super duper simple like top-down analogy or strategy that I used. It was just the H4 wick, M1 meticulous, entry. My trading view is lagging, so I'm gonna call the video here. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys like videos like this, leave a comment. Let me know. Feedback, suggestions, anything, any questions, let me know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.